Here, 2x power 4 plus x cubed minus 9x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. As I told today, I am going to find all 4 values of x from this equation. But how do I know that there are 4 values? It's easy. Just see the variable, here it is x, and the highest power of x is 4 in this equation, that means there are 4 values of x. It's applicable for all polynomial equation. Like if we take another equation. As you can see, here highest power of variable x is 3, that means there are 3 values of x in this equation. To find the 4 values of x, we will follow 4 steps. First, finding a factor of this equation. Second, we need to do factorization. Third, repeating the first and second step. Fourth step is to middle term breakup. So firstly we need to find a factor of this equation. For that, we need to put some values of x in this equation randomly. If the result comes 0 as the right-hand side of this equation, then we can get a factor. Let's put 1 first. We get 2 into 1, plus 1, minus 9 into 1, minus 4 into 1, plus 4. And calculating this we get minus 6, which is not equal to 0, but right-hand side of this equation is 0, so x is not equal to 1. Let's put 2. We get 2 into 16, plus 8, minus 9 into 4, minus 4 into 2, plus 4. This time we get 0. That means x is equal to 2. If you are told to find a value of x, then your job is done, as we got one value. But here we will find all values. So here the factor will be x minus 2. We just shifted the 2 to left side to find the factor. So, first step is done. Let's head to the second step, factorization. To do so, firstly we will take 2 blank lines. But in the second one we have to write the factor we got, 4 times. Why 4 times? Because the highest power of x is 4. If it was 3 we would write the factor 3 times. Now we will write 2x cubed by the side of first factor. Let me tell you how I got this 2x cubed. For this we have to divide the first expression of this equation, 2x power 4, by the factor's first expression, x, which means we have to divide 2x power 4 by x and we get 2x cubed. That's how we get 2x cubed. Now we will multiply this and place it in the first blank line. So, 2x cubed into x is equal to 2x power 4 and 2x cubed into minus 2 equals to minus 4x cubed. Now let's match it with the equation. Here with 2x power 4 we have no problem, but here we have minus 4x cubed. And we need just x cubed. So we will add plus 5x cubed, to neutralize it. Now we will do the same thing again for the second factor. Here we will divide this 5x cubed by x and we get 5x square, and let's put it by side of second factor and multiply it. So we get 5x cubed by 5x square into x, but we already wrote it. Then 5x square into minus 2 and we get minus 10 square. So we again have to neutralize it by adding plus x square, to make it minus 9x square. And doing the same for the rest, we get plus x by dividing x square by x. Now here we get minus 2x, and let me do the rest following the same process. I think following this process, you don't need to memorize anything. Now we get x minus 2 whole into 2x cubed plus 5x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Our second step is done. Third step, we will repeat the first and second step for 2x cubed plus 5x square plus x minus 2 to simplify it. Let's head to that one. Now we will simplify this following the same process. So we need a factor. You can do the research, but as I know I will put minus 1 and we get minus 2, plus 5, minus 1, minus 2 equals to 0. So, x is equal to minus 1 and the factor is x plus 1. Now let's repeat the same process of 2 blank lines and writing the factor 3 times as the highest power is 3. And we will follow the same process. We get 2x cubed, plus 2x square, plus 3x square, plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. And, 2x square into whole x plus 1, plus 3x into whole x plus 1, minus 2 into whole x plus 1 is equal to 0. And now, whole x plus 1, into whole 2x square, plus 3x, minus 2, is equal to 0. Here our third step is completed. Now the last step, middle term breakup on 2x square, plus 3x, minus 2. Let's do it. We get, whole x plus 1, into whole 2x square, plus 4x, minus 2, is equal to 0. Now, whole x plus 1, into whole 2x into x plus 2, minus 1, into whole x plus 2, is equal to 0. Finally we get, whole x plus 1, into whole 2x minus 1, into whole x plus 2, equals to 0. So, we got all 4 cases, 3 cases here, and another one earlier. We have almost solved it. Let's see the final part. Here, the equation, 2x power 4 plus x cubed minus 9x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. And earlier we got, whole x minus 2, into whole 2x cubed, plus 5x square, plus x, minus 2, is equal to 0. And, whole x minus 2, into whole x plus 1, into whole 2x minus 1, into whole x plus 2, equals to 0. So we got 4 cases. First one, x minus 2, is equal to 0, so, x equals to 2. Second one, x plus 1 equals to 0, so, x equals to minus 1. Third one, 2x minus 1 equals to 0, so, x equals to half, and the fourth one, x plus 2, equals to 0, so, x equals to minus 2. And as I told, this are the all 4 values of the given equation. And if you want, you can try solving this equation using the same process. Let me tell you, I am going to publish another video, solving this cubic equation in an easier shortcut method. That means in the next video, I will show you 2 methods to solve this equation. One is the same as today, and another is a shortcut way. So, stay tuned, goodbye and thanks for watching.